Have a pleasant day, everyone. Once again, this is your biology teacher, Teacher Glenn. Our topic for today is just the continuation of our topic last time on viruses. Today, we'll be discussing how viruses strike on humans. Now, before we dig deeper, let's just have a brief summary of the major characteristics of viruses. Viruses are not classified into a kingdom because it is not considered a living organism. One reason is it cannot reproduce on its own. They are very small and can be measured in nanometers. They could only be seen through the use of an electron microscope. Next, a virus has a protein coat around it. It's like its shell. And the genetic material inside it is either RNA or DNA. And lastly, viruses are not considered a living organism because they don't have any of the 7 characteristics except that they reproduce by replication. But that only happens inside a host cell. Now, let's go to our main topic, how viruses strike on humans. I will present to you the simple steps or their procedure on how to infect us. First, a virus sticks itself to a cell and injects the genetic material into it. The virus reproduces more of itself by replication. Then, the virus keeps on replicating until the cell bursts. The new viruses go out and kill or infect other cells in the body of its host, or in that case, a human being. Now, I have here a diagram that shows you a simple way on how a virus infects a healthy cell or a body cell. Provided that the body cell is already exposed to viruses, so a virus will enter a cell. Second, substances in the cell begin to strip off the virus outer coat of protein, or the protein coat. Then the nucleic acid in the center of the virus is released. The nucleic acid gets into the cell's chemical manufacturing system, or its nucleus, and the cell ignores its own chemical needs and switches to making new viruses. The cell is sometimes destroyed in the process. Many of the new viruses are released to infect other cells. So that's how a virus can infect a healthy cell. It's very simple, but it's very dangerous. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.